Black yo magic, that black yo magic, that black yo magic, that black yo magic, that black yo magic, magic, black yo magic, that black yo magic.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Glow and I'm back at it again with a new tutorial. For today's tutorial, I'll be using a wig that I received from Nadula Hair. Probably one of my favorite hair companies out there. I work with them a lot. I really love their quality. So as you guys can see, this is the wig that I'll be showing you guys today. Your girl's looking real chocolate. It's giving cinnamon toast. It's giving Black Barbie, period. So like I said, this wig is from Nadula Hair and this is a 4x4 closure. Yes sis, back at it again with the 4x4 closures. I've been loving them lately. They just make my life so easy because they're super easy to like deal with, super easy to apply. It doesn't take a long time. So yeah, this is a 4x4 closure. It's 150% density. The length is 24 inch, and as you guys can see, it's a highlighted brown wig. Really in love with the color. I'm in love with the highlights. I'm in love with the texture. I'm in love with the wig, period. Their shortest length is 10 inch and the longest one is 24. So I have in the 24 inch right now. I'm really in love with this wig, you guys. Highlighted brown wigs are very in right now, but I don't think everybody's wearing a 4x4 closure highlighted wig though. But yeah, this is what it looks like. It looks really good, you guys. This wig is super silky, really soft, really light. I went for 150 so it doesn't feel too full. I'll be showing you guys the unboxing in the video. Everything that pretty much came in the box was like a satin bag, a satin scarf, and a wig cap, and that's pretty much it, and your wig, of course. I would recommend probably plucking the closure. Even though it's a closure, you still want to plug it so it can look really natural. I didn't pluck mine. And I will also recommend probably the lace closure of the wig is like dark brown, so I didn't really need to apply concealer to it, but I still did it, so it made it look really darker now, so you can't really see the parting. So I would recommend using a light concealer so you can really see the parting. I used my concealer to like blend the parting, which I shouldn't have because the lace was already dark, so I should have used a lighter concealer, but I didn't have one, but it's fine. Make sure you guys use a lighter concealer. But other than that, the wig is pretty much ready to go. I'm in love with it, so I'm gonna go ahead and move forward to the install and the tutorial part so you guys can see exactly how I achieve this look. If you guys are interested in purchasing this wig, make sure to check out Nadula Hair. I will have all the links down below to the wig, to their store, everything you guys need to know. Make sure you guys thumbs up this video, subscribe, and comment, and I will see you guys in my next video.
That melanin, hocus pocus, baby.